Hey YouTubers, this is Go for Bob on the Go for Bob channel, and today we are reviewing a Star Wars set. And this set was released 2016, so this is the latest one. Set number 75134, Galactic Empire Battle Pack. And this is the box that it comes in. You probably can still get this in the shops right now. But it's probably dwindling off. We'll be running out of stock for this set. So that's that. Here's the instructions. Okay, there's a few pages in there. And there we go, piece count with the Force, 5 pads and stuff like that. And there's all the instructions, all the minifigs for the sets. That's the set we've got there with those figs. There's other ones that you can get. See, I've got that one, got that one. I believe I've got that one. Yes. Yes. And there's others. Yes, got them. Anyway, there's Club Lego. Please join them. It's good value for money, especially in Australia. It is very good money. You just pay once or you join, and I think you just pay once, and then they send your books out forever, pretty much, until you don't want them, which is kind of cool. Anyway, all right, that's the instructions. All right, let's get into the minifigs. Then we'll get to the set. All right, there's he's got a blaster on. Okay, these headpiece there. There's very just it's really got some battle scars up there. These legs, torso, really good printing on the side of his helmet. Back, that's a printed piece. Okay, the shooter, that's really cool. To his head. Nothing on the back, just an angry face. Let's take that off. Let's have a look at the back. Oh, there we go. There we go, some battle scars on the back there. Right there's battle scars. Okay, that's him. Whoop. Take the bottom apart. Alright, this guy here is exactly the same. You get 2 of them, stormtroopers. Printed piece, it's the same. Yep, it's the same. Okay, they're just clones of each other. Yep, that's it. Okay, I believe he's blaster. Alright, then we've got this guy with a red. Very cool red, very cool printing. Look at that, his red arms, his red printing on his torso and his legs. It's very good. And the helmet's really cool. Just want to look at that. That's just kind of cool. Alright, let's take his head off. I think it's same face. Angry face. That's it, but the helmet's really cool. Okay, let's get the commander. Torso printing, leg printing, no arm printing. Doesn't have any rear face print. It's a battle pack, so you buy enough of these and you'll build up your empire, your Galactic Empire battle pack. So that's what it is. Right, you got a flick fire shooter here. It goes around, turns around on the turntable right there. Goes up and down. It's up, down. You got some shields there to protect the guy in the back there. Some shields there to look through. Got some printed pieces right there. Have a look. In there, can you see it? Yeah, printed piece there. Another printed piece on the other side. That's it. Very simple pack. Probably around about 22 bucks, something like that. I think on special you get it under 20 bucks, I think. Here in Australia. But anyway, it's a nice addition to your Star Wars collection. But yeah, no nice minifigs printing on the minifigs, and a good variety. You get good quality, for 20 bucks, around $20 mark. Not too bad value for money. All right. So that's the Galactic Empire Battle Pack, 109 pieces, 4 minifigs, came out in 2016, and that's it. Box instructions and the build with the minifigs. Alright, okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching, we'll catch you next time, bye.